Let's open her up and see what we got. There seems to be a lot of stuff in here. Let's take a look at this first. All right, I don't know what it is, but I may have to get a knife to open it up. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh, look at this. Excellent. So we get 100 feet of low voltage landscaping cable, which you're going to need that. Set it to the side. All right, check it out. Looks like we've got 6 of these. Let's open it up and see what we get. Okay. Oh, here it is. Let's open one. So much plastic. All right, here it is. Wow, this is really nice. I gotta say, look, this is how you change the direction of it. Look at that. Right there. I mean, look at this. Oh, it's super nice. Really high quality. And here's your line, and you got a lot of line with it. So that's nice. I'm gonna set that over to the side. I'm not sure what's in here. Let's see. This is really good stuff, man. Oh, look. It's an extra light. Wow, look at that. So if yours burns out, apparently you get another one. All right, let's hang on to those because those are really nice. And that tells you exactly what it is. Set it there. I think these will probably be some kind of stakes. Yeah, look. And look at this. These are the nuts that you hook it in with. So let's check it out. Let's see how this goes. So this would go like this, you guys. So you got to run the line out of it, right? Right here. But this would go into here, and then you would screw it in like that. You follow me? Yeah. So that's your basic setup, right? And then you smush that in the ground. And that sucker's going to stay in there. Look at that. Jagged. All right, let's just go ahead and we'll get it out of here for right now. All right, so that's our setup, right? That's what comes in this. Those are the things that you get with that. Oh, and this. And that comes in every single one of these boxes, and we've got 6 total. Okay. Oh, and also look at this. They gave us these extra connectors. So that's good. They didn't give us, I don't know if they've given us any instructions or not, but let's see what we got here. I think that this is the voltage transformer. Let's go ahead and open her up. Wow, look at that. All right, so it comes with tools. All right, so it comes with this. There's a bunch of screws in there, flathead Phillips set, and the handle. Let's set that to the side. Let's see what else is here. So this looks like the transformer itself inside of here. And it's heavy, man. It's not light. Oh, man, I think we have to flip it over to get it out of there. Here, look on this side. You can see the cords here. Let's see if I pull that out. Oh, okay. Maybe I can get it like this. Let me get it here. Oh, it's really windy outside. Sorry about that. Well, here it is. Look at this. Wow. Wowza. Yeah. Now the question is, where do I connect the, where do I connect it to? You know what I mean? Do I have to punch these out? Oh, this is, and it's heavy, man. Oh my gosh. Set it down. So I'm hoping that there's some type of instruction with this, because I don't know if this opens. I mean, here it says, suitable for indoor and outdoor use. It's for low voltage landscape lighting accessories only. Not suitable for driving equipment. But I think I have to unscrew it here and here and then punch these out maybe. And then you run your lines out of there. I think this is gonna require a little bit more investigation. Let's set that down for right now and put her in here. And yeah, so this is 6 lights, but I do not see any instructions with it. But that's everything that comes in the box. I mean, a complete kit of everything that you need to do this low voltage landscape lighting. Except I'm gonna have to get some instruction on how to set it up. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna check this transformer out really quick and see if we can figure out how to set it up. All right, so we're gonna need to put this in here. Oh, here, look, you gotta do it like this. And then you pop it up. So to work this, you press this little collar down, shove this in, and bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, so now we got to get this out of there, and give it a shot here. All right, so I'm thinking that this is the part we have to loosen. Let's find out. We'll see. I'm not going to take the screws all the way out. I'm just going to loosen them on either side. And I think this comes off. I think it just kind of slides off. You would think it would. Oh, there we go. All right, so now we've discovered where our where our thing is. So you got 12 and 15 volt. This is the common, and there's the 12 volt. So that looks pretty good. It's got an on and off right here. You can set the timer. You just turn it here so you can see it a little bit better. And this is the directions. And they were inside of the cap. Here's this. Gives you a little information on it. And it's kind of, this is the one I think we've got here. But, so anyway, I guess we can, this is where you set your time, all right? So you got to set your time. And then these are pins. And you have to push the pin down. It works just like any other timer. Let me show you. So if you look inside here, first of all, you got to figure out what time it is. This is a 24-hour clock. It doesn't give you, 12 and 12. It gives you 24. So, this is, this is midnight, and then it goes all the way around to midnight again, apparently. And then this you would turn for the time. Like right now, it's 1 o'clock. So if we would start here, because if this is 1 a.m., right? 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. So then what I would do is I'd turn this to 13. All right? I'm going to go to 13. That's 1 o'clock right now. So that's 1 o'clock. And then I'm going to go from, let's say, 6 o'clock backwards. So I'm going to turn all this on. All right, 18. So that would be 18 is 6, would be 6 o'clock, right? So 13's 1, 14's 2, 15's 3, 16's 4, 17's 5, and 18 is 6 o'clock. So I've got it on from 6 p.m. till 6 a.m. And then all I do is just hit it. And now it's ready to go. And then we just got to connect our lines here. We're going to put our common on this one. Let me show you. We're going to put the common here, and then we're going to put the other here. And if you had 15 volt, you'd put it here, but we got 12 volt. So we're going to go with that. And then I think we can pop this out and run the lines through there. You follow me? And I think that's basically how it works. So we'll have to give it a shot for some practical application. But that's the way you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on cool stuff like this. Peace out.